Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to add widgets on your account on Rednote on the settings, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see, you are on the home page. So you will find the three lines up right here, click on it, and then you will find also settings, click on it like this, and here you will find right here, add widgets, click on it. Now as you see here, you can add the widgets as you like, just like this. So that's it. That's how to add your widgets on your account on Rednote, easy and quick. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.